What's up YouTube? Today we've got the Currus NF electric scooter and we're going to show you how to unlock its max potential. So this is a great scooter, it's awesome to ride, I love the look and feel of it, but the speed settings can confuse a lot of beginners. So if you're new to scooters, I'm going to show you guys how to fully unlock the max speed here. And there's a few things we need to look at. One, we need to check out the speed limiter wire. Two, we need to check out the mini motor's throttle settings. Three, the mode setting, and four, the eco turbo button. So there's a lot of different things to think about, and I'll show you guys how to set up the settings, and we'll do a little FPV ride later, and we'll check out the max speed of the different modes. Subscribe and let's ride. All right, so the first thing we're gonna look at is the speed limiter wire. So inside of this little braid here, there's gonna be a little speed limiter wire that you can detach. So most of the wires will go from the deck up into the stem, but there's gonna be a single red wire that kind of loops around. So you just detach this little thing here, which I don't wanna do right now, but I'll show a video of someone doing it. And you'll find a single red wire that kind of loops up and down back into the deck, and you're just gonna cut that wire. So after you sever that speed limiter wire, you should be able to unlock max speed now. So the next thing to look at here is the mini motor's throttle settings. So we're gonna hold the mode button down to go into settings. And once we do that, we're gonna wanna check out the P7 to P9 settings. So I'll press mode until we get to P7. So P7 in the Currus manual shows a safe start. So it has settings 0 through 5, and I believe 0 is disabled. So you'll get the most torque out of 0. It's a little crazy though, so you might actually wanna try 3 to 5 or so, but I'll just leave it at 0 right now because I like crazy scooters. P8 is gonna be your max power output. So you definitely want that to be at 100%, and you can change that from 5 to 100%. Definitely leave that on 100% so you have max power. And finally, P9 is battery saved. So it has settings 1, 2, and 3, and 1 is max save, 3 is no save. And for max speed, you're gonna wanna not save any battery at all, so set that to 3. And so as long as those are set up, you should be good. The other things are there's modes, so you have speed modes 1 to 3, 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the fastest mode. And then also, down here you have this eco turbo button. So down is eco mode and up is turbo. So for the fastest runtime settings, you're gonna want mode 3 with turbo mode. So now I'm going to switch to an FPV video where we test out the different modes and check out the impact of eco versus turbo. Let's roll. All right guys, now it's time for a little FPV ride. So I'm gonna change this to mode 1, and we're gonna put it in eco mode first. So it's in eco mode, mode 1. Let's see how fast this thing goes. So we are max throttle, and it is reading 8 miles per hour right now. Ooh, this is thrilling. Okay, so now I am going to engage turbo mode. Turbo mode is engaged, mode 1. Oh yeah, we get a lot more speed now. We're up to 17, 18 miles an hour. So it looks like 18 miles an hour on mode 1 with turbo mode. So now we're gonna go mode 2 and back to eco. I'm gonna jump on the road here. And mode 2 eco is about 16 miles per hour, 17 miles per hour. And turbo mode, mode 2, so turbo mode, mode 2 was about 30 miles per hour. And now we'll go to mode 3, eco. So button is in. Mode 3, eco. Mode 3 eco is about 25 miles per hour max. Not budging after that. And so now we'll go mode 3 turbo, which should be full speed because all of my mini motor's settings are maxed out. All right, so we got some room here, so let's really test mode 3 and turbo. See what we hit here. 39. Okay, so we hit about 40 miles an hour here, 41, 42. Hey, it's not bad. So about 42 miles an hour, mode 3 turbo. So that's what you need to have everything fully unlocked. guys, that's all we got for this episode. We're at the top of Twin Peaks now. It's super windy, but just wanted to do a quick little tutorial on how to make sure that you guys have a max speed on the Currus NF scooter. There was a couple questions going around, so I just wanted to do a little video so people have that resource there. I'll probably do some more riding videos in this thing soon. I like the scooter a lot. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, I just always looking to do videos and what you all want to see. So if there's a certain scooter that you all want to see me do videos on, let me know. Or if there's anything else on this scooter, let me know for sure. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and we'll see you all next time. Peace out.